Ella's car. It's in the garage. I just got it in there. She was in the bathtub. See it? Okay, when she comes out, she's gonna find it, bro. What you got in your stocking there?
What is this? What have you done? What is this?
What do you think it is? What does it look like?
You're gonna make me cry.
Well, there's some things Santa can't put under the tree.
Where is it? Where is it?
I don't know. Let's go look.
What have you done?
Let's go look.
What do you mean, let's go look?
Let's go look. See if it's
They know that
What? Are you kidding me?
Merry Christmas.
Get off of me. Turn that off. Turn it off. What have you done?
Go look
Are
at
you
your.
serious?
Go look at
Where
your.
did this come from?
Santa brought it.
How did you get it here?
It's been here for a while.
How'd you get it here?
Santa brought it.
and so I'm offering this simple phrase.
Is it new?
The kids from 1 to 92.
Yeah, it's yours. Who else is it gonna be? Somebody else live here?
It's been said many times, many ways.
Does it look new?
Christmas.
What did you do? How did you do this?
Magic. Months of planning. Are you really surprised?
Please. Yes, I'm surprised. This is a joke. Are you kidding me?
Merry Christmas, Boo-Boo. It's not a joke. I didn't call the car dealership just to pull a prank on you. Although I'm not beneath that or anything.
And so I'm offering
I drove it.
From where?
Somewhere.
But you didn't go anywhere this morning.
When that shower was running, I went somewhere.
Although it's been said
I'll tell you
many
later.
times, many ways.
This is your car, Boo-Boo.
It's my car. How much payments do I have to pay?
0.
Yeah.
Let's look at the car so the video can see. It's
Are
pretty.
you kidding me?
It's a pretty car.
Keith, I don't deserve this.
You totally deserve it. Look at the pretty car. Okay, camera's off.